Hi, this is Sean Holman from MotorTrend Group, and today we're going to check out a brand new tire from a brand called Vredestein.
Now, you may not have heard of them before, and that's because this is their first tire made exclusively for the American market.
They're actually a 111-year-old tire brand in Europe. The tire we're going to look at today is the Hypertrac UHP all-season tire. UHP, of course, standing for Ultra High Performance. This is a tire that is made specifically for the US market, and we'll walk through a couple of the features that make it perfect for rainy days. So here it is, the Vredestein Hypertrac UHP all-season tire, and it looks like they left us a letter here in the bottom. Let's take a look at this really quick. This is from Chief Technology Officer Daniele Lorenzetti, talking about how this is the very first of their new tires to arrive in the US, representing years of research and development, and this is the first of a new range of Vredestein tires that are going to be tailored especially for American roads. So let's take a deeper look at the tire and figure out what makes this tire so special. Now, one of the things we always look for in an ultra high performance tire is what speed rating it carries. Now, the Hypertrac carries a Y speed rating, making it good to 186 miles per hour. Now, I don't know any speed limits on any roads in America that high. This should probably be a great tire for whatever you choose to put it on.
Now, Vredestein made sure that this tire has superior all-season performance.
And the way they do that is with copious amounts of grooves and voids that allow the tire to evacuate as much water as possible that's standing between the tire and the roadway. There's another way they do this, and that's with a compound that's specially designed for the American market to ensure that this tire remains grippy no matter how wet the surface is. One of the things we really like about the Hypertrac is the tread design that we look at home, whether you put it on a sports sedan or an SUV. We also love that it has this really beefy rim protector to keep your wheels safe against curbing or any damage you might have out on the road. When you look at all the features of the Vredestein Hypertrac, you can see why Vredestein has won awards all over the world.
There you have it, Vredestein tires, Europe's best kept secret.
Now available in America. If you want to find out more, head over to TireRack.com.